His Excellency, Right Honorable Comrade Philip Shaibu, the Deputy Governor of Edo State, the first sitting Deputy Governor in history to play the NPFL. And he's been a man here by the past. He has done so well with Bendel Insurance. He has inspired his team, and twice they've returned to the NPFL. And going in now is Shaibu. And of course, he has hung his boots. He has come to quits with active football. Thank you so much, the General of Sports in Nigeria, Right Honorable Comrade Philip Shaibu.
His Excellency the Deputy Governor, who doubles as a player of the team, started by igniting everybody to know that the only thing that is good for this club is for the club to be among the best. And today, this has been actualized. Like I said, it's not the moment for speech, but the moment to be happy. Thank God for everyone who has contributed, the press, for all your criticism, the government, the management, the players too, who rose to the occasion. It's not easy to have His Excellency being in your team as a player. You win, he looks at you, you have not won well. So that tells you still have more work to do. So, like I said, I just want to thank everybody here, and then His Excellency too, for staying by the club, even when people lost hope and confidence. Like I said, patience is divine and golden. You know, you cannot start now and just finish it. 3 years ago, when the Excellency asked me to come on board, I'm like, okay, it's going to be difficult, but it's achievable. And I'm happy that today, this has been done. The team has played in the NNL and will now play in the NPFL. NPFL is a different ball game. It's a very tough league. And for real, insurance will need the services of players, a few players who are better than the ones we have now, so as to keep the competition going on. Not just better, you have to be seen as playing. We all have information about clubs in the NPFL. So the few players that will come to join Bendel Insurance will be those that are better than the ones we have, to create the healthy rivalry that can make the team challenge at any competition that they are going to play. And you also know time is a big constraint. The NPFL would like to start anytime, so we have to be careful about what we do. So players are welcome to come to Bendel Insurance, as long as they are proven players who are still playing. Anything that will make the team stronger is welcome. Like I said, it's the state thing, and only the best will be good enough to represent us.
I'm retiring from professional football, and also to thank the Sport Commission and the coach and management of Bendel Insurance for this historic moment of retiring number 40 jersey, Bendel Insurance. It's first of its kind, and I'm so excited and happy about it. Remembering where I started from and now I'm ending, it's so exciting and very emotional. But the good news is that I'm living without injury. and living with that injury. And my last match, we won it. Beyond playing for University of Jos and being captain of my faculty of social science for 3 years, and also playing for the University of Jos in Nuga Games in Kano and other national tournament, I also represented FCT in youth sport under 20 in Dallas, and we got to the final of that tournament in Dallas. And I played for Foreign Affairs Football Club. I played for FCDA Football Club in Abuja. I played for former Water Corporation of Akure. Then, when it was changed to, the name was changed to, from Water Corporation, forgotten the name now, before it went defunct. Also, the last club I played before Bendel Insurance was in the Nigerian Prison Service. And not only football I play for Nigerian Prison Service, presently I am the record holder of steeplechase for paramilitary games that took place in Ilorin. Nobody has beaten that record up till now. My time is still there. You can go to Abuja and check paramilitary games, steeplechase. So beyond football and before Bendel Insurance. So, and I'm retiring now in Bendel Insurance. I've been playing Bendel Insurance now for, this is the 5th year or 6th year. Yeah, and I've been consistent in registering for Bendel Insurance. And all the matches I've played, all of them, apart from one that we played draw, the rest we won. The rest we won. The match with that, I discovered that my permanent secretary can be Ben Johnson. That was in Lagos. Which one is my best? Sport festival or gold or this one? Both are same, but different feeling. For sport festival, yes, I was happy I won gold medal, and we added to the number of gold that the state won. That I added to the state medal, and for me the gold was personal. But for Bendel Insurance, going to NPFL, Bendel Insurance, like Shaibu said, is a mass movement. It's beyond Edo State, it's beyond Edo people, it's beyond Bendel. It's a mass. I remember somebody calling me from Sokoto, this is our sports journalist from Sokoto, calling me over Bendel. Outside, they do calling Bendel Insurance. Some of them, when they meet me outside, they say, when is Bendel Insurance coming back to where it belongs to? So, and most of them are not Edo people. So, in terms of rating, this promotion, for me, is I rated it more, higher than the gold medal I won in the National Sports Figure. Because this one is bringing Edo back to where it's supposed to be. And while National Sports Festival, we've been winning it. We won for us, we've taken second, we've taken third, and this time our chairman said we are going to be first. You understand? But you remember there was one bronze medal that we won in African Cup of Nations, and they said that bronze medal is sweeter than gold medal. And so, golden bronze. So for me, the Bendel Insurance promotion is golden bronze. When I retired from politics, I would like to be a consultant, sport consultant. Yes, we'll do that one. But for now, I will support Bendel Insurance and support Edo Queen and all the other sports in Edo State. Because the governor, you know, these people will think I'm overdriving them. It's the same way the governor is driving me. So when he drives me, I'm driving them. Because the governor will not take excuse. It doesn't take, he feels that when he give you an assignment, he has to deliver. And he also feels that you cannot start a program without having your plan. And your plan must show how you get to the destination. And that's why I joined the coach to say, thanking Edo people for the patience they've had in Bendel Insurance. Because it was, like Coach would say, it's work in progress. Bendel Insurance has been work in progress. And we have been taking it step by step. Don't forget, the governor also told us, we must win, but we must not win at all costs. And we must win clean. So we must not cut corners. So that is why we are taking it easy, steady, and so that when we get there, we cannot return.
Everybody that has been here today, our heart is full of joy. We worked hard. We worked for this, and it paid off. We want to thank the state government. We want to thank His Excellency, the Governor of the state, Mr. Govunor, for his steadfastness and trust in us. We want to thank to His Excellency, the Deputy Governor. Like he said, he doesn't see the good side. He's always the bad side. And we're always on our toes, and it has paid off. Thank you from the bottom of our hearts. And we also want to thank the people of Edo State. We are in the Premier League now. We promise you, we will not go back. We have come to where we are supposed to be, and there we will remain. NPFL, here we come. NPFL, here we are. NPFL, here we stay. Thank you very much.